1. Which film won the Best Film Award at 24th IIFA Awards? Right answers. D. Animal. Who has won men's single title at 2024 US Open? Right answers. C. Jannik Sinner. 3. Who won the 2024 US Open Women's Single title? Right answers. C. Aryna Sabalenka. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India? Right answers. A. Ajay Seth. 5. Hayao Miyazaki from which country received prestigious Ramon Magsaysay Award 2024? Right answers. B. Japan. 6. Recently Union Cabinet approved PM Juga mission for? Right answers. D. Tribal communities. 7. Which country became the newest member of New Development Bank? Right answers. D. Algeria. 8. Which country won the gold medal at 45th Chess Olympiad 2024? Right answers. C. India. 9. When is ISRO's Chandrayaan-4 mission expected to be launched? Right answers. Born in 2027. 10. When was the PM Asha scheme launched? Right answers. A. 2018. 11. What is the NIDR challenge launched for? Right answers. A. Drone application and research. 12. Where was the NIDR challenge launched? Right answers. A. Electronic Niketan, METI. 13. What is the prize pool for the NIDR challenge? Right answers. C. 40 lakhs. 14. Which city is set to establish India's first PPE green waste processing plant? Right answers. A. Indore. 15. What is the expected revenue per ton for IMC from the green waste plant? Right answers. C. 3000. 16. What was the theme of the World Water Day 2025? Right answers. B. Glacier preservation. 17. How much is the cash award for the Stockholm Water Prize? Right answers. B. $150,000. 18. Who has been promoted as the Vice Chairman of Bajaj Finance? Right answers. A. Rajiv Jain. 19. When was the mission Indradhanush launched? Right answers. C. 2014. 20. Which award did RBI recently receive for its digital initiatives? Right answers. A. Digital Transformation Award. 21. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of RBI? Right answers. A. Indranil Bhattacharya. 22. Kirsty Coventry has been elected as the first women president of which organization? Right answers. A. International Olympic Committee (IOC). 23. NPCI has partnered with which firm to expand UPI in Singapore? Right answers. A. HitPay. 24. Which bank has partnered with BIT to strengthen India's startup ecosystem? Right answers. A. Yes Bank. 25. SEBI has partnered with which platform to reduce unclaimed assets in the securities market? Right answers. A. DigiLocker. 26. Who has been reappointed as the Managing Director and CEO of Bajaj Auto effective 1st April 2025? Right answers. A. Rajivnayan Rahul Kumar Bajaj. 27. How many medals did India secure in the Special Olympics World Winter Games 2025? Right answers. C. 33. 28. Where was the Special Olympics World Winter Games 2025 held? Right answers. A. Turin. 29. Who won the inaugural International Masters League T20 title? Right answers. A. India Masters. 30. Who won the Australian Grand Prix 2025? Right answers. A. Lando Norris. 31. DLAI has rebranded itself as what? Right answers. A. Unified FinTech Forum. 32. When is the International Day of Forest observed? Right answers. B. 21st March. 33. Which country has been ranked as the happiest in the World Happiness Report 2025? Right answers. A. Finland. 34. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Report 2025? Right answers. D. 118. 35. Which country has recently qualified first for the 2026 FIFA World Cup? Right answers. A. Japan. 36. Who has won the Best Actor award at the Oscars 2025? Right answers. A. Cillian Murphy. 37. Which country has been ranked lowest in the World Happiness Report 2025? Right answers. A. Afghanistan. 38. What is the theme of the International Day of Forest 2025? Right answers. A. Forests and food. 39. Which financial organization supports the National Monetization Pipeline? Right answers. B. NHI. 40. SBI Mutual Fund has sold a 4.7% stake in which organization for 815 crore rupees? Right answers. A. National Highways Infra Trust, NHI. 41. Which country hosts the ASEAN Summit 2025? Right answers. B. Malaysia. 42. National Youth Day is observed on? Right answers. B. 12th January. 43. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Right answers. B. Indonesia. 44. Which Indian player won the bronze medal at the King Cup International Badminton 2024? Right answers. C. Lakshya Sen. 45. Which space agency successfully launched the SpaceX mission? Right answers. A. ISRO. 46. Who won the title of 2024 FIDE Women's World Rapid Championship? Right answers. A. Koneru Hampi. 47. Who has been appointed as the Secretary General of ASSOCHAM? Right answers. A. Manish Singhal. 48. Which state has recently unveiled India's first glass sea breeze? Right answers. A. Tamil Nadu. 49. Which state government has declared Rath Saptami as a state festival? Right answer. A. Andhra Pradesh. 50. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of SBI Card? Right answers. A. Salila Pandey. 51. Who has been appointed as the next Chancellor of Germany in February 2025? Right answers. A. Friedrich Merz. 52. Who won the mains title of Asian Snooker Championship 2025 in February? Right answers. A. Pankaj Advani. 53. Who has released the book titled Indian Renaissance, Modi Decade? Right answers. A. Amit Shah. 54. Who has won the 6th Men's Hockey India League 2024-25 title? Right answers. A. Shrachirar Bengal Tigers. 55. When is World Wetlands Day celebrated? Right answers. B. 2nd February. 56. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of BCGA? Right answers. A. Faj Ahmad Kidwai. 57. Who has taken charge as the Election Commission of India? Right answers. A. Vivek Joshi. 58. Which team has won the Women's Under-19 T20 World Cup 2025? Right answers. A. India. 59. Which IIT has hosted Asia's first global Hyperloop competition from 21 to 25 February 2025? Right answers. A. IIT Madras. 60. The tableau of which state has won the Best Tableau Award in the Republic Day Parade? Right answers. A. Uttar Pradesh. 61. Which Indian has been appointed as the chairperson of the UN Internal Justice Council? Right answers. A. Justice Madan Lokur. 62. Which state will host the 2025 National Games of India? Right answers. A. Uttarakhand. 63. Kumbh Mela is held at how many places in India? Right answers. B. 4. 64. When is Vijay Diwas observed every year? Right answers. B. 16th December. 65. What is the rank of India in Network Readiness Index 2024? Right answers. B. 49. 66. Devendra Fadnavis became Chief Minister of which state? Right answers. A. Maharashtra. 67. Which date has the UNGA declared as World Meditation Day? Right answers. B. 21st December. 68. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court? Right answers. A. G.S. Sandhawalia. 69. Which Indian has been awarded with the UN Champions of the Earth Award for 2024? Right answers. A. Madhav Gadgil. 70. The Railways Amendment Bill 2024 merges which act into the Railway Act 1989? Right answers. A. Railway Board Act 1905. 71. Who was recently appointed as the CEO of UIDAI? Right answers. A. Bhuvnesh Kumar. 72. How many athletes will be honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Right answers. B. 4. 73. Surya Kiran is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Right answers. A. Nepal. 74. Which team recently won the Pro Kabaddi League title 2024? Right answers. C. Haryana Steelers. 75. Which state won the Senior National Men's Handball Championship 2024 title? Right answers. C. Kerala. 76. Which teacher from Rajasthan has been selected for the Global Teacher Prize 2025? Right answers. A. Mohammad Imran Khan Mewati. 77. When is World Cancer Day 2025 celebrated? Right answers. B. 4th February. 78. Which country has topped the world in raising funds through IPO in the year 2024? Right answers. C. India. 79. When is Central Excise Day 2025 celebrated? Right answers. B. 24th February. 80. Which football club has won the Indian Super League (ISL) Winners' Shield title? Right answers. D. Mohan Bagan Super Giant. 81. Who has been appointed as the 51st Chief Justice of India? Right answers. B. Sanjeev Khanna. 82. Who among the following has won the Miss India 2024 title? Right answers. C. Nikita Porwal. 83. Which team has won the Irani Trophy 2024 title? Right answers. A. Mumbai. 84. What is the rank of India in the Global Hunger Index 2024? Right answers. B. 105. 85. When is World Polio Day celebrated? Right answers. A. 24th October. 86. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently inaugurated the Ambikapur Airport. Which state? Right answers. C. Chhattisgarh. 87. Book Witness is the autobiography of which Indian sports person? Right answers. C. Sakshi Malik. 88. Who is currently ISRO chairman? Right answers. A. Dr. V. Narayanan. 89. Who is the 26th governor of the RBI? Right answers. B. Sanjay Malhotra. 90. Who is the new CM in Delhi? Right answers. C. Rekha Gupta. 91. What is the rank of India in Climate Change Performance Index 2024? Right answers. B. 10. 92. Which country hosted 16th BRICS Summit 2024? Right answers. C. Russia. 93. Who was named the Player of the Year, Men, in Hockey for 2024? Right answers. B. Harmanpreet Singh. 94. Who has been crowned as Miss Universe 2024? Right answers. A. Victoria Jaredam. 95. Who has won Booker Prize 2024? Right answers. A. Jenny Erpenbeck. 96. Which country hosted COP29 International Climate Conference? Right answers. B. Azerbaijan. 97. Which country signed an agreement with ISRO to support the Gaganyaan mission? Right answers. A. Australia. 98. What is the rank of India in Global Nature Conservation Index 2024? Right answers. C. 176. 99. What is the rank of India in the Rule of Law Index 2024? Right answers. C. 79. 100. Which state government approved India's third largest tiger reserve? Right answers. B. Chhattisgarh.